looky. Some assembly as required, as they say. I guess I'm spending the day as a factory peasant, toiling away, putting together an office chair. And I'll tell you what, my carpal tunnel syndrome's just about had it with these Allen wrenches. What the mother trucker? Where's my hex bit? I've had it with these Allen wrenches. Let this hex bit do it for me on this last one. That's more like it. That made quick work of it. And if I want a little extra torque, I'll take my hex bit out and put it in my Craftsman bit driver here. And go manual mode. 4-wheel drive mode here. Crank her down. Not too much though. You want to use your built-in torque. Your built-in torque wrench. Don't go too tight. All right, it's done. Thanks to the hex bits. Look at that. What a champ. A lot better than the Allen wrench. So aren't you sick of these things? These Allen wrenches, hex keys, whatever you want to call them. I mean, they come in all these configurations, like keychain, like this one, or you can get the ones where they're like in a little special holder. They take up half your toolbox in order to have like every one of them. You got your metric, and then you have to have your standard English SAE or whatever they call it. So you got to have all the different ones. You never know what's gonna, they ship you that tiny little individual one with your office chair or your bookshelf or whatever you need to put together, but it's either you lose it or you break it or whatever, so then you want to have your own set. They're just really inconvenient, hard to use. There's no ratchet mechanism to them. There's no you just end up doing a lot of this with your fingers and aggravating your carpal tunnel syndrome if you've got it, like most of us do. So wouldn't you rather just replace all of that mess? And I know a lot of you have an even bigger pile than that. Replace it with these guys, these hex bits. I got this whole set for like $10 or so on Amazon. I've got the link in the description. So much tidier, so much easier. And not just because of the space that they take up, but that's one aspect of it. So they give you, when you order these, you get the metric and the SAE. I find I'm almost always using metric because why do you think? We're using these things to do factory assembly, like we're factory peasants, so all this stuff comes from overseas so that we can finish the work that was done over there, and that's always metric. But you want the complete set, and they give you the complete set for $10. So let's crack this open and see what it is. Basically, you get all the different sizes, just like this mess over here. In fact, I think even more. You get all the different sizes except they're magnetic, and all it is a little bit. So you can put this in a drill, you can put this in an electric screwdriver, you can put this into a screwdriver driver handle, just any kind of bit driver. I like to put it in, I got my little Craftsman bit driver here. So just like I can put in any bit, this is a lot better. This is a lot better than messing around with those little L-shaped Allen wrenches, and it's magnetic, so it tends to stay in there. So really, really like using it this way. This is how a lot of times I'm using it. But if you really want to save your wrists, because a lot of times these are machined screws, machined bolts, and you know they take a lot of turns to get them into that office chair or whatever it is. So I like to also use, like, I picked up one of these years ago, cheap little electric screwdriver. It's not a, you know, it's nothing a professional would use, but boy, I'll tell you, it sure does save your wrists. And put your bit driver in there and saves a lot of time. It just makes it actually takes a, you know, putting together one of these chairs or bookshelves or a table or whatever it is, it turns it from something you dread and you're swearing and sweating and doing it to, you know, it's not bad. It's like this, you know, this thing does all the work for you, and it's all thanks to these hex bits. So, you know, you got the whole set, you got all the different sizes, and anything's possible with these things. Like, for example, you can, you know, you can add an extension, so I can put the hex bit into this guy. Let's say I got to reach way down far deep into something. You know, look at that. I can, you know, I find I do this when I have like, I can't get my hand close to, like I have like a surface and I can't get my hand close to it. I can kind of get out of the way with this extension and drive it from up above. There's just lots of times when you want to use this extension. Another thing I like to do with these hex bits is I'll take my smallest socket wrench and let's see what we got here. Got a 1/4 inch driver on there. The smallest wrench with the smallest driver that I have, and then I'll put the hex bit in there. Whoa. Just grab a different one. So I'll put my hex bit in there, and that gets me, you know, sometimes this is what I need to get into where I need to get. Something small like that. So I got that. And I like to use it with my Torx, my inch-pounds Torx wrench. It works in that for gunsmithing and stuff like that. And I like to use it with a power drill, of course. You know, power drill works just fine too. So if you don't have one of these little electric screwdrivers handy, use your power drill. So there you have it. Links in the chat. Go out and get your own. Oh, one more thing to show you. I like these so much that I end out, the company is Amartisan, and I went out and got their security Torx bits. They sell those too. They're just like a Torx bit, except they got a little divot in the center. They tend to be used for security, and sometimes you need to, like when you're cracking open a computer or something, you need these. So I'll put the link in the chat for these two. I think it was, you know, again, real cheap. This whole set, both containers, was $10, so you know it's going to be comparable. You can follow the link to see the exact amount these days, because it's always changing, a penny here, penny there. But there you have it. Find the links in the description, and go out and get your own, and you'll be glad you did. And best thing money can buy for you know, such a small investment, to get rid of all that frustration, get rid of these guys. So hope you found this little tip helpful. I never even knew these existed. I never even thought to look for them. I'm so glad I found them. So hope they help you out too. And if you wouldn't mind, if you find it useful, please like and subscribe. And I'm just a few subscribers short of meeting my goal, so I sure would appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel. And yeah, hope these work out for you. Follow the links, get your own, and then let me know in the comments how they work for you.